Hello everyone. Today is not another mock video. Today is not another how to build video. Today is something new, where we take something trash and we make it look awesome. This is our volunteer for today. We're gonna start off by gently throwing him away. Then I will disassemble the front part. Then I change the color from black to dark gray. Then I change the transparent pieces to dark gray pieces. Now I added studs on the side pieces. I also put studs on the side pieces in the middle. Then I placed the license plate. I like the 1x1 transparent pieces that I had before, so I decided to keep it. Now I was deciding either I like the light gray color or the dark gray color. So I chose the dark gray color. I really did not like this gap over here, so I decided to change it. Took out the middle piece and took out the other pieces. Then I placed two 2x2 pieces in the middle and a 2x4 right on top of them, placing the 1x2s on the side. Now I added the slope pieces and I put a 1x2 in the middle, and then I tiled it off on the top. Then I placed a 1x2 slope piece on the back. And the back is complete. Now I changed the glass color from blue to black. I put a minifigure inside to see if it fit. And then his head was sticking out. I couldn't just leave it like that, so I got the whole top part and put it right under. Now the pieces were not the same level, so I had to put new pieces to make it the same level. I looked if it was the same level. I did the same exact thing on the other side. Then I added a cushion and I added a steering wheel. So now it's the last part, the back side. So I started by removing every piece that was not needed. and placing a 1x4 on the bottom. I tested out new designs for the back lights. I started with a triangle design, then a 1x1 design, and then whatever this design is. Then I chose the 1x1 tile. Then I put a license plate, and we're finished. Here's the before, and here's the after. Hope you enjoyed my new series. Thanks for watching.